In this video, we are going to learn a few simple tricks to improve the readability of your document. Although, this could involve getting a lot of things right, like grammar, content structure, etc. In this video, we will focus only on tips that will make your document more visually appealing to the reader, thereby enhancing its readability. Well-defined headings and subheadings can help the reader easily focus on what they are looking for in your document. When you have decided on a heading for a section, place your cursor at the beginning of the text, and simply apply the default heading style to it, from Word Styles menu. For main headings, apply the Heading 1 style. For subheadings, apply Headings 2, 3, 4, and so on. With the headings styles applied, you can use the navigation pane to jump to any section in your document. Simply go to the View tab and click Navigation pane. The navigation pane basically provides you an interactive outline of your document. You can also quickly generate a simple table of contents, or TOC, for your document. Put your cursor where you want to add the table of contents. Go to the References tab, click Table of Contents, and then select an automatic style. The table of contents is added, with page numbers assigned to each heading. Using bulleted or numbered lists, for listing things or a series of actions, makes the content easier to scan, and more readable. To quickly create an unordered list, select the desired text, and click Bullets under the Home tab. Use the Tab key to add a sub-bullet. Similarly, you can click Numbering to present the selected text as an ordered list. To draw your reader's attention to the important words, use bold or italics. Using bold or italics allows you to emphasize certain words. It also makes the content scannable and reader-friendly. Bold is much more impactful than italics. However, be cautious. If you emphasize on too many words, you may beat the purpose. Also, avoid using both bold and italics together. Using the right font and font size is vital to any document. To make our document stand out, we may sometimes become a little experimental. Our tip? Stick to the basics. Don't worry about choosing between serif or sans serif. But worry when you are presenting your document in a font like Brush Script. Despite choosing a standard and easier to read font, your content will fail to appeal the reader if you do not choose the appropriate font size. Remember to use a font size that is big enough, so that your readers can read the document without any struggle. Using graphics can make your content comprehensible and interesting. Graphics can help the reader visualize the process or outcome. A single graphic can represent your content effectively and concisely. Keep these tips in mind the next time you are documenting. Thank you for watching this video.